There's the Splash Beach Resort I just filmed in, and right there is the Celadon, which I also filmed. And now we're filming the parking garage elevator. But I wanted to show this room because look how cool this is. Imagine being in here on like acid or something. That'd be wild. Hell, I'd put these palm tree things in my house. But oh. 24/7 security. So much for that. Same cab as the passengers in the tower. Well, the elevator's in the tower. There's only passengers, no service. No jumping children. Or no jumping, children must be accompanied by an adult. Something tells me they've had issues with kids jumping in here. It's the game room. Splash. This is a condominium? It says a resort. This must be one of those like timeshare things.
Hello.
Hello. There's a big fancy store. Lots of bright colors. Oh my God. That is very bright. Anyway, that will be all.